In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize Airtable records so you can stop hunting for data and start working smarter. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. You'll need to log in with your account credentials. Just click the Login button in the top right corner and enter your details. Once you're in, open the base you want to organize by clicking on it from your workspace dashboard. Inside that base, select the table that contains the records you're looking to tidy up. Take a moment to review what's already there. Scan your existing records and the fields or columns they live in. This quick survey helps you understand what you're working with and what needs to change. Now let's start structuring. Group similar records together using categories or status fields. For example, you might group tasks by in progress versus complete, or group contacts by department. To do this, click the Group button at the top of your grid view, then choose a field to group by. This instantly collapses related records into expandable sections, making your table far less cluttered. Next, use the Sort feature to arrange records in a logical order. Click Sort, then add a sorting rule, like sorting by due date ascending or priority descending. This ensures the most important or time-sensitive records appear first. After sorting, apply filters to focus on specific records. Filters let you hide everything that isn't relevant right now. For instance, you could filter to show only records assigned to you or only items with a status of pending review. Click the Filter button, choose a field, and set your condition. It's that simple. Finally, create different views for different teams, projects, or workflows. Click the view name at the top, then Add a View, and pick something like a Kanban, Grid, or Calendar view. Name it something clear, like Marketing Team or Q3 Launch. Each view can have its own grouping, sorting, and filters, so everyone sees only what they need. Organized records make it much easier to find information, maintain data accuracy, and collaborate effectively with your team in Airtable. You've now grouped, sorted, filtered, and created dedicated views. Your base is cleaner and far more powerful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.